Now, before I'll go on with inheritance income, let me show you first. This is the billion-dollar question. Are we capable to go global? Yun ang tanong eh. May kapasidad ba tayo, Noel, na mag-global? Kahit siguro kayo, tatanong nyo sa akin, kanina pa ako sabing global. Ito po yun. Are we capable to go global? For a company from the Philippines to go global, mga kaibigan, you must have an e-commerce infrastructure and credit card payment gateway, which we already have. Meron tayo yan. Built-in na po yan. Next, kailangan meron kang world-class breakthrough and unique healthy product and highly consumable, not just highly consumable, but extremely highly consumable, which have a tagline of the world's first. Alam mo, napaka-proud natin pag hinawakan natin ng effect dahil nag-iisa sa buong mundo. Okay? Next, credible and world-class manufacturing company. Hindi natin pwede i-deny yan. Seamless marketing plan. Pag nagbukas po tayo sa ibang bansa, pareho lang po marketing plan natin. Ang naiiba lang, ibang presyo na doon, mas mataas. So kung mas mataas ang presyo na doon, mas malaki ang kikitain natin mga Pilipino pag nasa Pilipinas tayo. So hindi mo na kailangan magpunta sa abroad. Next, worldwide delivery system. Sa Pilipinas, naka-tie up tayo sa LBC for local delivery. Okay? Of course, worldwide payout system. Ladies and gentlemen, I've showed to you. The question is, are we capable to go global? Of course, the answer is obvious. Yes, we are capable to go global. Other company, when they started, they always promised to their distributor that we go global, we go global. Nagsarado na lang po, hindi pa nakapag-global. Other company also, they go global. But how can they go global? They don't have a global product. They don't have a global infrastructure system. They don't have it. They just making promises to Filipino people. But eventually, they're not gonna do it, mga kaibigan. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. Imagine a network organization like this. We all started here in the Philippines. Your left and right is all the Philippines. But whether you like it or not, once we go global, your network is gonna be like this. Different plug po yan. In fact, your family tree, makikita niyo po kung anong nationality nila. Anong nationality nila na may mga plug po yan. Bakit ganon? Look at this. According to Wikipedia, there are about more than 11 million overseas Filipino worldwide, or OFW po, yung mga kababayan natin nagtatrabaho sa abroad. And it's equivalent to about 11% of the total population of the Philippines. Ang ibig sabihin ho, lahat ng mga lugar na to may Pinoy. In fact, 44 countries around the world, there's Filipinos worldwide. Ang ibig sabihin ko po, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa India para maghahanap ng mga Indiano. Maghanap ka lang ng Pinoy na marunong magsalita ng Indiano. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Saudi para maghanap ng Arabo. Maghanap ka lang ng Pilipino sa Saudi na magkaibigang Arabo na marunong magsalita ng Arabic. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Germany para maghanap ng Germans. Maghanap ka lang ng Pilipino doon na may kaibigang German at marunong magsalita ng German. Ganon lang siya kasimple. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, bakit yung mga networking company sa Amerika, pag nagbukas sila sa isang countries, madalas ang inuuna nila ang Pilipinas. Bakit? Kasi ang sabi nila, we have to get the Philippines first. Because once you get the Philippine country, you're just like getting 44 countries around the world. Which is true. Now, my point is, bakit sila pa? Tayo na lang. Tama po. I'm sure you will agree with me. Bakit sila pa? Tayo na lang. Tayo dapat ang makikinabang dahil kapwa Pilipino ang tinatarget nila. Bakit sila pa dapat tayo makikinabang dahil Pinoy na Pinoy tayo? At nagsalita tayo ng parehong lingwahe at parehong kultura. At kababayan natin sila lahat. At tayo dapat ang tumulong sa kanila, hindi ang ibang lahi. Okay? So yun po ang dahilan bakit ginawa namin. According to OFW, ang Pilipinas ho, nagbibigay po ng 10 to 15 billion dollar per year ho sa Pilipinas. Siguro naman ho, tama na ang naging basihan natin dito. Na ang negosyong Planet-Biz ay makarating ho to sa buong mundo. In fact, nagsimula muna tayo sa Pilipinas for the first 6 months. Hopefully, and God willing, by January or the first quarter of 2010, whether you like it or not, we are going to bring this business into global market. And we are going to penetrate all of this 11 million OFW all over the world. And I think there's a lot of reason for you, ladies and gentlemen, to be more excited if you would join our team, Planet-Biz. So in other words, do a global business at the tip of your finger. A world of business awaits you. Okay? Nasa Pilipinas, nasa gitna, lahat yan makuha nyo.